Hello guys, my name is Muturk. And welcome to my first video. In this video, I'll show you all 5 Discord test builds and how to get them. Let's get started. First of all, we have the public test build. This is the most common and stable test build, and the one I recommend you get. You'll get a beta feature once in a while. But the other ones have way more stuff. Otherwise, it looks exactly like the normal stable build. You can download it from discordapp.com/download. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see it. I've left the link to download it in the description. Next we have the Canary build. This is the best one for PC that you can get easily. Canary users will get almost all the beta features. This one has a yellow icon instead of the blurple one. This one gets updated pretty frequently. But using it can cause your PC to slow down or even crash. You can get it by just looking up Discord Canary on Google. I'll leave a link in the description. Next is the iOS beta. This one is called Discord TestFlight. If you haven't already, install the TestFlight app on your device. All iOS Discord beta updates come through TestFlight. With TestFlight installed on your device, simply head to the TestFlight link in the description to sign up and install Discord TestFlight. Now for the Android beta. Just go to the Android beta link in the description, download Discord, scroll down a little and join the program. You might have to wait a few days if the program is full. Now for the Android Alpha, make sure to stay tuned afterwards for a bonus test build for PC. Follow these steps to sign up for Android Alpha. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Head over to the Android Alpha link in the description and press Join Group. Once you have input your information, press on Join Group again. Once you have joined the group, head over to second Alpha link in the description to officially join the Alpha program. Now for the bonus. If you've stumbled upon the link on screen, you've just found some super duper top secret shenanigans from Discord. This is a feature that Discord developers use for testing new versions of code. By clicking on that nifty Apply button, it'll automatically restart your client and set your client to a special version of our code. Note that if you see an incorrect user error message, you won't be able to access this build since it's been bestowed to a different tester. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped you. Since it's my first video, I'd appreciate suggestions on how I can improve my videos in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.